Welcome to Flexibility After 50, your guide to regaining youthful flexibility naturally through a full-body stretching routine. As we age, maintaining flexibility becomes crucial for everyday activities and overall well-being. This routine is designed specifically for individuals over 50. We'll start with the neck, gently releasing tension. Begin by slowly tilting your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold this stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds, feeling the gentle pull along the side of your neck. Then, slowly switch to the other side. Next, we'll move to the shoulders, which often hold a lot of stiffness. Perform gentle shoulder rolls, moving them forward and then backward in a circular motion. Follow this with a cross-body arm stretch. Bring one arm across your chest and use your other hand to gently pull it closer, feeling the stretch in your shoulder. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then release and repeat on the other side. Remember to breathe deeply throughout each stretch. Now, let's address the chest and upper back. Interlace your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms, and gently lift them away from your body. This opens up the chest and stretches the front of your shoulders. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then relax. Moving down to the arms and wrists, extend one arm straight out with your palm facing up. Use your other hand to gently pull your fingers down towards your body. Hold for 15 seconds, then flip your hand so your palm faces down and gently pull your fingers towards your body for another 15 seconds. Repeat on the other arm. Let's engage our core and sides with a standing side bend. Stand tall, raise one arm overhead, and gently bend to the opposite side. Feel the stretch along your side body, from your hip to your fingertips. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then return to center and switch sides. For the lower back, a gentle seated twist is excellent. Sit comfortably, place one hand behind you and the other on your opposite knee, then gently twist your torso. Look over your shoulder to deepen the stretch, holding for 15 to 20 seconds. Slowly unwind and repeat on the other side. Now, let's focus on the hips and glutes. A figure 4 stretch, performed seated or lying down, is very effective. Gently press down on the bent knee or lean forward until you feel a comfortable stretch in your glute and outer hip. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. For the hamstrings, a standing hamstring stretch is ideal. Place one heel on a slightly elevated surface, keeping your legs straight, and gently hinge forward from your hips. Keep your back straight and avoid rounding your spine. You should feel the stretch along the back of your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. Next, we'll stretch the quadriceps. Stand tall, hold onto a wall for balance if needed, and grab one ankle, gently pulling your heel towards your glute. Keep your knees close together and feel the stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then release and repeat on the other leg. Finally, let's stretch the calves. Stand facing a wall, place your hands on it, and step one foot back, keeping your heel on the ground. Lean into the wall, keeping your back leg straight to feel the stretch in your calf. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then bend the back knee slightly to target a different part of the calf. Hold the bent knee variation for another 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. This ensures a comprehensive calf stretch. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this full-body stretching routine into your daily or weekly schedule to see significant improvements in your flexibility. Listen to your body, never force a stretch, and always consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this routine helps you regain and maintain your youthful flexibility for a more active and comfortable life.